Hi dear students, welcome to today's class, day 5, English class 9. Hope all of you have seen the previous videos. പഴയ വീഡിയോസൊക്കെ കണ്ട് പാഠഭാഗം മനസ്സിലാക്കി കാണുമെന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. Just to recall to your mind the story that we had been learning. The story of Tarun, a mediocre student who was not good in studies but wanted to become the fastest runner of the world, and how Ram Narayan helped him, promised him to help him, to train him. Now he was a poor boy from a very poor family, and parents didn't like his running, so he had no one to support. But he had a great desire, and he was given a chance. If he won the race that was about to held on 14 November at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, he would be trained by Ram Narayan. Ram Narayan avane train cheyyamennu promise cheydirunnu. 14ാം തീയതി നടക്കുന്ന റേസ് ജയിച്ചാൽ. Okay, and he began to practice, and the day of the race has already come, and the race has begun. ഓട്ടം തുടങ്ങി കഴിഞ്ഞു. And our Tarun is leading the race. Let us see what happens next. So let us go to the lesson. We had almost come here. Okay. So let us continue. Okay, keep watching. On the track there was a shallow path. So on the track there was a shallow path. What is the meaning of shallow? Shallow means which is not very deep. ആഴം കുറഞ്ഞ ആ വഴിയിലൊരു ആഴം കുറഞ്ഞ വേറെ ഒരു ചെറിയ വഴി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആ ട്രാക്കിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് തന്നെ ചെറിയൊരു ചാലു പോലെ. That's it. As he was running fast, Tarun did not notice that and he slipped. So Tarun was running very fast and concentrating on the finishing line. Unfortunately he did not notice. നിർഭാഗ്യവശാൽ ആ ചെറിയ ഇടയ്ക്കുണ്ടായിരുന്ന ചെറിയൊരു വഴി അവൻ കണ്ടില്ല. So what happened? He slipped. Okay, he slipped. So Tarun slipped. Breathing fast, he saw other kids going past him. So he was breathing very fast. He was running, panting. He saw that other kids going past him. Other boys was running past him. He could not be a loser today. So he thought in his mind, I cannot lose today. ഇന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. So without wasting a second, he got up to run once more. So again he got up and he began to race. Being quick, Tarun overtook a few kids ahead of him. So he was very quick and he overtook some of the students. But as fate had it, fate means എന്താണ്? വിധി ഇല്ലേ? Fate. And ദൗർഭാഗ്യം, and വിധി, ദുർവിധി, he slipped once again. The boy once again slipped. So one time he fell, he became back, again he fell down. What was happening to him? He could not bear it. So Tarun was wondering, what is happening to me? എനിക്ക് എന്താ ഈ സംഭവിക്കുന്നത്? അവനത് സഹിക്കാൻ, could not bear means അവന് സഹിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല. He looked into the crowd and saw his mother. So mother was there to support him, so he just looked at her. She was saying something to him. Get up son, get up and run. So the mother was encouraging him. You get up and run. So the inspiration of a mother. Tarun got up once again. He was among the last few. So he was not the back, but he was among the last few. But he did not give up. What is the meaning of give up? Give up means admit defeat. പരാജയം സമ്മതിക്കുക അല്ലേ? തോറ്റ് പിന്മാറിയില്ല. Okay, he did not give up. Once more he overtook some children. Again he overtook, മറികടന്നു കുറച്ച് കുട്ടികളെ. Since he was fretting a little too much. But he was fretting. What is the meaning of fretting? Worried. So now Tarun lost his confidence. No, he was worried a little bit. He was worried. So he was feeling worried. Fretting means worried. You can note it down. Fretting. He was worried. A little too much, he fell a third time. Unfortunate. Tarun again fell a third time. Tears were rolling down his cheeks. And tears were rolling down his cheeks. കണ്ണീരിങ്ങനെ ഒഴുകുകയായിരുന്നു. How will he get into Ramnarayan's training now? That was the question. എങ്ങനെ ട്രെയിനിങ് കിട്ടും അല്ലേ? How will he prove to his parents that he was talented? How will he prove his parents that I am talented in running? He was the last kid on the track now. Now his position, അവനായിരുന്നു ആ ട്രാക്കിലെ ഏറ്റവും അവസാനം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. He turned his eyes towards the stands. So he just looked at the stands to the gallery. Then he heard Ramnarayan screaming from somewhere. So Ramnarayan was shouting somewhere, "Come on, Tarun, come on!" So when we go for race, when we applaud our colleagues, somebody is running, നമ്മുടെ കൂട്ടുകാരൊക്കെ ഓട്ട മത്സരത്തിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റേസിംഗിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കൈയടിച്ച് പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കും അല്ലേ? So he got up a third time. This 12-year-old determined boy who was last on the track got up and ran with all the strength he had. So this 12-year-old boy, 12 വയസ്സേ ഉള്ളൂ. നമ്മളൊക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് വീണാൽ അന്നേരം ചുറ്റുപാട് നോക്കിയിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? നമ്മൾ പതുക്കെ ചമ്മലുകൊണ്ട് മുഖമൊക്കെ താത്തി ഇറങ്ങിപ്പോവും അല്ലേ? So what we would do if we were in Tarun's place, we would just leave the track ashamed of, because we don't want people making fun of us, so we would just get away from there. He got up, but Tarun got up and ran with all the strength he had. That's what he did. With all strength he ran. The crowd was cheering for Pawan, the boy who had won the race. So now the race is already over. Pawan, a boy, he won the race. Pawan എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു കുട്ടിയാണ് ജയിച്ചത്. ആൾക്കാരെല്ലാം അവനെ ചീർ ചെയ്യായിരുന്നു, അവനെ അനുമോദിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? But to Tarun's surprise, but there was something happened. There was a louder applause when he crossed the finishing line last. There was a louder applause. What is the meaning of applause? Karagosham, like clapping. There was a clapping. All were clapping when Tarun was about to finish finishing the last. The audience cheered for his determination and his valor for never giving up. So they were cheering for his determination. അവർ കൈയടിച്ച എന്തിനായിരുന്നു? ഇവൻ്റെ ദൃഢനിശ്ചയവും and his valor. What is the meaning of valor? Valor means what? Courage, ധൈര്യം. അവൻ്റെ ധൈര്യത്തെ അഭിനന്ദിച്ചുകൊണ്ട്. Okay? He never gave up. He never accepted defeat. Okay? He bowed his head with shame and said to Ramnarayan. So he was very sad. He lost the race. He said to Sir, "I am sorry, sir, I lost." Sir, ക്ഷമിക്കണം, ഞാൻ തോറ്റുപോയി. "No, son, to me you have won the toughest race, the race of your life." That was the answer of Ramnarayan. You won the race and it was the toughest race of your life. നീ ജീവനം കൊണ്ടാണ് ഓടിയത് അല്ലേ? നിൻ്റെ ജീവിതത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയൊരു ഓട്ടമാണ് നീ ഓടിയത്. You got up and started afresh each time you fell. When you fell, you didn't lay there thinking everything is lost. You and started afresh. What is the meaning of afresh? പുതിയതായിട്ട് അല്ലേ? Newly you started. Okay? You started the race again. If you are a real life hero, you might have failed in your race. ഓട്ടത്തിൽ തോറ്റു കാണും, പക്ഷേ ജീവിതത്തിൽ നീ വിജയിച്ചു. Your training starts tomorrow. Tarun could not believe his ears. He could not believe what he was listening. Tears filled his eyes again. He was very, very much taken up. He smiled at his mother, who hugged him and said, so the mother came there and hugged him. You know what is the meaning of hugging? Embrace. What did she say? You are the best son in the world. That was really touching for Tarun. So the mother said, you are the best son in the world. ഈ ലോകത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല മകൻ നീയാണ്. So that was, he got an acceptance in his family. Mother accepted, the trainer accepted, though he lost his race, his determination and his his dream to win the race helped him. So dear students, this is what helped each one of us. Okay, it will definitely help if you have a determination, and if you, whatever be, whoever you be, if you have determination to win in your life, in any juncture in your life, at any step in your life, if you want to win, definitely the whole world will support you. Okay, the whole world will support you and will give you guidelines to win in your life if you have determination in your mind. That's what we learned from the story of Tarun. Okay, so we may have problems, we may have difficulties, we may have our shortcomings, നമുക്ക് കുറവുകളും കുറ്റങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കാം, പക്ഷേ നമുക്കൊരു നല്ല മനസ്സുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ജീവിതത്തിൽ വിജയിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും. This is what the lesson of Tarun teaches us. Okay, so we have completed the lesson. By this our class is not going to end. Okay, you have to learn the lesson again, and I am going to give you certain questions from this chapter. Okay, so questions we will discuss now. We will see each question and we will discuss, and you can write it down in your notebooks. Okay, I am trying to give that in the form of a presentation. You can just see that. Okay, we will just see and see the questions. Okay, I think the lesson is very clear to you. Okay, so you can just read the question from the screen. Who do you like more, Tarun or his brother? Why? You can just think, how can we answer this question? You know the story now. So whom do you like more? If you like Tarun, why? You can say like this: I like Tarun because though he was a poor boy, he had a determination to become the fastest runner in the world. Or if you like his brother, you can say, I like the brother because he is a good student, he lives up to the dream of his parents. Okay, I am not giving you the answers here. I am helping you to prepare the answers, and if you prepare like that, you will improve your language. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ ചോദ്യം മാത്രം എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്ത് അതിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരം എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്ത് തരും, ഇവിടെ എഴുതി തരില്ല. ഓക്കെ, that you have to do. By listening to me, you will get definitely the answer. So listen carefully. Next question: why did Tarun think that he was the black sheep of the family? Maybe for the people who are not very good in listening English, I'll explain in Malayalam as well. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് അവനെ തന്നെ ആ കുടുംബത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും മോശക്കാരനായി കരുതിയത്? Why did he think Tarun he was the black sheep of the family? The reason you know why? Because he had no talents. He was not good in his studies like his brother. So he thought himself as the black sheep of the family. I'm already giving you the answer, but only by saying. ഞാൻ ഉത്തരം പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കേട്ടെഴുതി നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് മൂവ് ടു ദി നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. വാട്ട് വെർ ദ ഒബ്സ്റ്റക്കിൾസ് ബിഫോർ തരുൺ ഇൻ പെർസ്യൂയിങ് ഹിസ് ഡ്രീം? ഗിവ് സം സജഷൻസ് ടു സോൾവ് ദിസ്. വാട്ട് വെർ ദ ഒബ്സ്റ്റക്കിൾസ്? അതിന് മുമ്പിലുള്ള പ്രതിബന്ധങ്ങൾ എന്തായിരുന്നു? ഇൻ പെർസ്യൂയിങ് ഹിസ് ഡ്രീം, തൻ്റെ സ്വപ്നം പൂർത്തീകരിക്കുന്നതിൽ. So if you know the story, you know the reasons. The obstacles, his family didn't like his racing. Okay, he had no money for a trainer. Okay, all these are the reasons for that. Can you give some suggestions? You can write your own suggestions. Maybe something like he could practice every day and get noticed by some people, something like that. Okay, that you can write. Okay, next question. It was a day he wanted to wipe out from his memory. Why? തൻ്റെ ഓർമ്മയിൽ നിന്നും തുടച്ചേരാൻ ആഗ്രഹിച്ച ഒരു ദിവസമായിരുന്നു. Why? And you know the reason why. That was the day when he failed in 2 subjects in his exam. Okay, so please carefully read the text and try to write the answers in your notebook in your own words. You can listen to my words and put it in your own words, then you will improve your language. Next question. What made Ram Narayan say life is full of ups and downs? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ജീവിതം ഉയർച്ച താഴ്ചകൾ നിറഞ്ഞതാണെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? അല്ലേ, ups and downs. So Ram Narayan says that because from his life experience he has seen Because Tarun was very much worried, he failed in 2 subjects. So he said there will be downs, there may be ups. Okay, you can write the answer. Do you think Tarun's meeting with Ramnarayan would change his life? Definitely, we know that would change his life. What made Ramnarayan say that it was his job to get the entry in the race? So, എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് തൻ്റെ ജോലിയാണ് ഇവന് എൻട്രി കിട്ടുക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? The reason is that Tarun has to practice regularly, and it was the job of Ramnarayan to go to the officials and get the entry. No, that is the reason for that. He says like that. Okay. How did Tarun prepare for the race? We have seen in the lesson how he prepared. No, he woke up early in the morning, went to the stadium, and he ran. Okay, and in the evening he set the time and the prescribed 1,000 meters race, and he was regularly practicing. Okay, so you can write the answer. He also wanted someone to back him up, and so he told everything to his mother. Do you think this kind of sharing will help him face his problems better? Why? So, അവനെ ആരെങ്കിലും സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് തോന്നിയതുകൊണ്ട് അവൻ അമ്മയോടെല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുമോ അവനെ? We know that sharing always help our problems with other people. So, that would, why it is like that? Because there would be someone who understands him, and even if he fails, they would support in his life. That is the reason it is said such sharing would definitely help. Why did Tarun really want to win the race? Students, can you tell me why he wanted to win the race? Because he wanted to prove himself. He wanted to make his father say that he was not the black sheep of the family. He was the best son, that he wanted to make his father to say. He wanted to prove. Okay. We have few more questions from the chapter. Tarun felt very proud of himself. What made him proud? Okay. So, what made him proud? We have seen in the lesson. No, he was leading the race. No, that's why he felt very proud of himself. Okay. If you were Tarun, would you finish the race or give it up? Why? That is a very personal question to you. If you were in his place, you can answer like this: if I were in Tarun's place, and if I had fallen, I would have left the place. Race of race, I would have left. If ക്ലോസിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ വരുന്നുണ്ട്, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ 7ാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം വിട്ടിരുന്നു, ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോന്നറിയില്ല. I left the 7th question because that was an if clause question. After this, I am going to deal with the if clause. Then you will learn that how to prepare that. Okay, give it up. So you can write no. You can write 2 answers, yes or no. You can write. Okay, and the reasons also. Do you think the presence of his mother and Ramnarayan helped Tarun in finishing the race? Yes, we know it helped him. No, whenever he looked at them, they were encouraging, and so he got up and ran. So it definitely helped him. You can write the reasons. And the last question from the textbook: you have won the toughest race, the race of your life. What did Ramnarayan mean by this? Okay, that was the toughest race. So that was aiming at a big dream of his life. No, that race was to get trained, and then only he could become the fastest runner of the world. So that was the toughest race in his life. Okay, so for today this is enough. You have enough work. You have to finish almost 15 question answers. Please, dear students, do it yourself. Don't refer to the guide. Don't ask to your parents. Okay, if you have doubt, take your phone and call me. There is no problem for that. But don't try to look and write from someone else. And we want to see your notebook when you come back to the school. Okay, then it should be prepared with your date, with the today's date. Okay, so prepare well. Come ready for the next class. Have a nice day.